the qadr, believing in qadr. The qadr has a special effect on the Muslim in the way he believes. And before we dive into that, just a quick reminder about the categories of qadr that you must believe in as a Muslim to have proper belief in al-qadr, because a lot of times people are fooled by shaitan when it comes to the qadr, understanding it properly. The first thing is the knowledge of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the ilm, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows every single thing. He knows what we're going to do, when we're going to do it, how we're going to do it. And a lot of people come now, they confuse. Shaitan comes with, because shaitan, he's crafty, by the way. He comes with things that really will confuse you, not things that are clear to you. And he says, the qadr, you believe in qadr? You're like, yes, of course I believe in qadr. And we say that qadr, it's going to happen, it's going to happen. He said, correct, yeah. So why work? Why do it then? Allah knows, but you don't know. This is the important thing. To be able to beat shaitan is, I don't know the outcome. And we always give the example of the person when it comes to your exams. When you guys set for your, what is it, key stage 3 or 4? What is it? Huh? The British system. I taught British system for 5 years. I still don't understand it. Alhamdulillah. A little bit confusing. I think I got it at the end though, inshallah. So when you came for your exams, what did you do? How did you study? Sheikh, I'm not going to study. The outcome is maktub fi lawh al-mahfuz. Do you deny that? Before you sat for your exam, the result was written in lawh al-mahfuz. Do you doubt this? All of us know this. But we don't know the outcome. So we're ordered as Muslims to strive. You don't know the outcome. Allah knows. The first thing, He knows everything. Everything that happens, it's written down. Everything that happens, it's from Allah's will. It only happens if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wills. So when that bad thing happens to you, good thing happens to you, it's from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And obviously also the fourth thing, the issue of the creation, is that everything has been created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All right? Everything has been created by Allah. And that's why you pay attention to the famous hadith, the hadith of Jibreel, when he came and showed the Prophet ﷺ the arkan, the pillars of Islam, pillars of Iman. What did he say about each one? To believe in Allah, His angels, and what else? The books, the messengers, the last day, and the qadr, the divine decree. But he added something here, alayhi salatu wasalam. The good and the bad of it. Because you need to put a little bit more detail into that. The good and the bad of it, it's from the qadr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the bad sometimes, you think it's bad, but it turns out to be what? Turns out to be good. عَسَىٰ أَن تَكْرَهُ شَيْئًا وَهُوَ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ. Perhaps you dislike something and it's better for you.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.